Here is a cube I've made. It's quite a cool cube. It's got lots of angles of symmetry to ponder. And it's actually, it's easy to understand how to make it. It's actually very fiddly to make it because the parts are hard to make, hard to get together. So these are the things you make. Right? This is the subunit. It's made of 4 of these little hexagons. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the back of one, that's the back of another, and that's the back of another. So there's like a virtual hexagon made up of the back end of the other 3. So that if you look around it, it appears to be made of 8 hexagons, but some of them are just an artifact of the other hexagons. Right? None of them matter, we're using the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares there. See what? 6 squares are like the faces of a cube. Like these, you simply put together hexagons. You've got to be careful that they don't like spring apart and do that. And that's hard when you're just beginning. You sort of keep some pressure on it. Alright, you put 3 of them together. 2, 2, and the other one's going to go in here, and here, and here. So there's a 4th one, we put it on the middle there. Also on here, and also on here. Okay. So they're not so hard to make, and all you do is you put the squares together. Now the problem with the squares is you can go that way or you can go that way. You can sort of feel when they're going to go. This one's not going to go, sort of pushing it. If we get it exactly lined up and try and put it on, it doesn't want to go straight. So you've got to turn it one time, put it together. That's easy enough to do when there's nothing in the way. It's devilishly difficult to do when you're like here and trying to get 2 in. I'm not even guaranteeing to do it. It looks like it works. Alright. Or did it? No, see that one I've stuffed it up. You can get them apart, but getting it apart without wrecking everything, it's harder and harder to do. And when they jump together like that, you're in trouble. And invariably when you take it off, you forget. It's hard to get it off, and you forget which way it was. So you could do some kind of checking using a 3rd thing. That one looks like it's going to work. And then that one goes on there. Oop, like that. And that one's worked. Tricky to do. If anyone can come up with a better way of doing it, let me know. Make this lovely thing here. I actually didn't know it did that till just then. And then you stack it up like another one of them, put it on top. And that's got 3. There you have it. Again, that will be infinitely extendable. Also expendable.